Hello everyone, welcome back to the JP's Cook channel. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe. Today I'm so excited to show you this wonderful blender that we got. I'm so excited because I've been looking for this kind of blender for my cooking for so long, and finally I got it. Without wasting more of your time, let's jump right into it. Guys, I just want to mention that this is not marketing. It's because I love this blender and I want to share with you, just to let you know that you'll be expecting wonderful videos, cooking videos from me using this blender. Now I've just cut open the carton. Let's see what's in this small paper. Yes, you have two light recipe books. You have the manual booklet. Oh, look at that mango recipe. It looks really good. Inside the carton, we have this big jug. And then opening it, you see it's about 2 liters big, and then it comes with these 6 sharp blades that can blend practically anything. This carton was mainly to protect someone from getting hurt once opening it. And then going further, you have the lid of this big jug, which is really heavy and nice too. See how nice it is just to press and release when you're opening or closing it. It's really wonderful. I love this blender. We are going to explore more of these in the future while we are using it in the kitchen. And then inside, you see, oh, this is lovely. I love these cups. You see, this small one is perfect for blending your smoothies or something really quick. And then there's also this one more cup, and it's really deep as well. Both of these cups comes with lids. See how wonderful it is? Just to flip, and then you are good to go. And then you have the motor part. This is basically the last part of the blender, but we are going to put everything together later on to show you. This motor part is really heavy as well, and it has so many functions which I'm yet to go through. I have to go through the booklet and see how I can really maximize the use of this blender. So guys, this, and then that's the lid of the other part of that small cup, because it came already with the blade part. So when you blend and then you just want to use the same cup, it's just to change and then cover, then you are ready to roll. You see the two beautiful cups that comes with this blender. Just look at that, guys. So I have just the thing for this blender. The first thing I'm going to show you guys in the coming video, don't miss it, guys, don't miss it. I have a very beautiful recipe I'm going to show you guys, the first use of this part. So just make sure you stay connected, because we are going now in summer, we are going to make really good use of these 2 cups. And just to mention again, I'm not showing this because I'm in any marketing collaboration with this company or with this brand. It's just the love for it. So this is what came with this blender. You have this beautiful blade in that big jug. You have the 2 cups, and then you have the motor part of this blender. And then you also have the 2 light recipe for margarita. You have also another booklet which we are going to show, and then you have the manual. Just look at that. So if you are still watching this far and you are just taking a fast look at this booklet, which recipe will you want to see me try first using this blender? Let me know in the comment section. So I thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking with me. Don't forget, after subscribing, don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified as soon as the video is published. Thank you guys once more for your constant support. We rely constantly on your support to grow. See you in the next video. Bye bye.